Today we continue our lecture with the new chapter, that is the indeterminate form. Okay, so we have studied the certain rule to evaluate the limits, but some limits cannot be evaluated by using these rules, and these limits are known as indeterminate form. There are total 7 type of indeterminate form. First form is 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, then 0 into infinity. Fourth one is infinity minus infinity, 1 raised to infinity, 0 raised to 0, and infinity raised to 0. So this kind of forms are known as indeterminate form. Okay. So for the solving of this type of form, we have to apply L'Hospital rule. Now, what is L'Hospital rule? The statement of the L'Hospital rule, that is, if f of x and g of x are two functions which can be expanded by Taylor series, Taylor's series in the neighborhood of x is equal to a, and if limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to f of a equal to 0, and limit x tends to a, g of x is equal to g of a equal to 0, then limit x tends to a, f of x upon g of x is equal to limit x tends to a, f dash x upon g dash x. See, what is the difference? Here we have to do the derivative of numerator in the numerator and the derivative of denominator in the denominator. This is known as L'Hospital rule. Okay. So before going to start the solution of this type of example, let's take some most important formula of the limits, that is number 1 formula, limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x equal to 1. Number 2, limit x tends to 0 tan x upon x equal to 1. 3, limit x tends to 0 a raised to x minus 1 upon x is equal to log a. 4, limit x tends to 0 e raised to x minus 1 upon x is equal to 1. 5, limit x tends to 0 1 plus x whole raised to 1 by x is equal to e. 6, limit x tends to 0 1 plus 1 by x whole raised to x, that is also e. 7, limit x tends to 0 sin inverse x upon x 1. 8, limit x tends to 0 sin hyperbolic x upon x, that is also 1. And the last, limit x tends to 0 tan inverse x upon x, that is also 1. Students, this formula will help you for the solution of the indeterminate form. So please keep all formula in your mind. Okay, it will help you in GTU exam. So let's start the example. Our first question, that is first question from the 0 by 0 form. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 x e raised to x minus log 1 plus x upon x square. Okay, so let's start the solution. Here L is equal to limit x tends to 0 x e raised to x minus log 1 plus x upon x square. If you put limit in the numerator and denominator, you get 0 by 0. You may check. So as this is 0 by 0 form, so for the solving of this kind of example, we are applying the L'Hospital rule. And L'Hospital rule is what? The derivative of numerator in the numerator, and that is e raised to x plus x e raised to x minus 1 upon 1 plus x that is the derivative of log of 1 plus x, and the derivative of denominator x square, that is 2x. So if we apply limit in this is L'Hospital rule, right? Now, if we apply limit in this term, then again we get 0 by 0 form. So again we apply L'Hospital rule, and that is limit x tends to 0, e raised to x plus e raised to x plus x e raised to x plus 1 upon 1 plus x by whole square, whole divided by 2. This is again L'Hospital rule, right? So if we apply limit in this term now, then our answer is 3 by 2. Okay. This term is 0 and the rest of term are 1, 1 and 1. So 3 by 2. So got it? It's really very easy. Now, let's move with one more example, that is evaluate limit x tends to 0, e raised to x minus e raised to minus x minus 2 log 1 plus x upon x into sin x. See students, if you apply limit in this example, you get again 0 by 0 form. See, this one is 1, minus 1, and this one is 0. So this one is again 0 by 0 form. So you have to apply L'Hospital rule, and by applying L'Hospital rule 2 times, you get your final answer, and that is 1. So you have to do this example by yourself. If you have any query, then you can contact me for this example, right? So please take a screenshot for the homework of this question, right? Okay. So this is form 1. Now move for form 2. Form 2, that is infinity by infinity form. Now, again, for the solution of this infinity by infinity form, we have to apply L'Hospital rule, and that is, let's start example, evaluate limit x tends to 0 log 10x, here 10 2x. Okay, so L is limit x tends to 0. This is log 10 2x upon log 10x. See, if we have log base a and b, then we can write as log b upon log a. Okay, this is the logarithmic rule. So I have applied this rule for this example, that is log 10 2x upon log 10x. So tan 0 is 0, you know, right? So, and log 0 is infinity. So if I apply x tends to 0 in this term, this is infinity by infinity term. Okay, so as this is infinity by infinity term, so for the solution of this question, I am applying now L'Hospital rule. And what is L'Hospital rule? L'Hospital rule is the derivative of numerator in the numerator and the derivative of denominator in the denominator. That is 1 upon tan 2x into sec square 2x by applying chain rule into 2. And the derivative of denominator log tan x is what? 1 upon tan x into sec square x. Got it? Now, for the solution of this question, I am arranging this term in a particular manner. See carefully. Limit x tends to 0. Then I am writing here tan x upon x into sec square 2x upon tan 2x upon 2x into sec square x. Okay, see, here I keep this term sec square 2x upon sec square as it is. See, sec square 2x upon sec square as it is. But for this tan 2x, I am written in the denominator, and this tan x, denominator I put in the numerator, right? So this is tan x, this is tan 2x, and this 2 in the numerator I keep in the denominator form by multiplying and dividing in x. Now I am going to apply limit in this all term by applying limit x tends to 0, tan x upon x is 1. By applying limit x tends to 0, tan 2x upon 2x, that is also 1. Limit x tends to 0, sec square 2x, 1. And this is also 1. So my final answer is 1. Okay. Yes, Mohammed, you are right. Okay. So, got it, students? Okay. So, let's move with one more example. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So, answers are coming that they have no doubt. So, I appreciate your response. Next question is, prove that limit x tends to infinity 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to x square upon x cube is equal to 1 by 3. So let's start the solution, and our solution is L is equal to limit x tends to infinity 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to x square upon x cube. And as you all know, summation of n square, that is n plus 1 to n plus 1 upon 6, right? So as this is the summation of n square, our numerator is what? Summation of x square, right? So we may write like this, limit x tends to infinity. This is x plus 1, 2x plus 1 upon 6 into x cube is itself there, right? So after simplification of x plus 1 and 2x plus 1, limit x tends to infinity. Here we have 2x cube plus 3x square plus x upon 6x cube. So if I get x cube common from the numerator and this denominator, that both x cube will be cancelled, right? If I get x cube common from this numerator, then x cube will be cancelled with this denominator, and our answer is 2 plus 3 upon x plus 1 upon x square by 6. So after applying limit x tends to infinity, my answer is 2 by 6, and that is 1 by 3. So my final answer is 1 by 3. Any doubts, students, for this example? Let me know. Let me know if you have any doubt. Okay, okay. Thank you. Answers are coming that they have no doubt. Okay, good. Thank you. So let's move with one more form, and our third form of the indeterminate form, that is 0 into infinity form. So 0 into infinity form. Here, let's take example. Evaluate limit x tends to infinity 2 raised to x sine a upon 2 raised to x. Okay, so let's start the solution. Here L equal to limit x tends to infinity 2 raised to x sine a upon 2 raised to x. So if you apply limit here, that is 0 into infinity form. 0 into infinity form. So for the solution of this example, if I put 2 raised to x is equal to t, it means what? If I put 2 raised to x is equal to 1 by t, it means what? T is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to x, right? So if x tends to infinity, see carefully, if x tends to infinity, then 2 raised to x also tends to infinity. And if 2 raised to x tends to infinity, then t tends to 0, right? So if I keep this x in the form of t, then L is equal to limit x tends to infinity, then t tends to 0. So t tends to 0. 2 raised to x is what? 1 by t. And this is sine a 1 upon 2 raised to x, that is t. So sine at, right? So here sine at upon t. So if I multiply and divide with a, limit t tends to 0, sine 80 upon 80, if I divide with a, then if I multiply with a, so by applying the limit, my answer is 1 into a, and that is a. Any doubt? So this is the example of 0 into infinity form. Any doubts, students? Okay. Okay, good. Let's move with one more example. That is, again, we take one more example of 0 into infinity form. That is, prove that limit x tends to infinity, a raised to 1 by x minus 1 is equal to into x is equal to log a, right? So let's start the solution. That is L equal to limit x tends to infinity, a raised to 1 upon x minus 1 into x. If you apply limit in this function, you will get 0 into infinity form, right? So if I keep this x in the denominator's denominator, so we have limit x tends to infinity, a raised to 1 by x minus 1 upon 1 by x. So this 0 into infinity form will convert into the 0 by 0 form. And as this is 0 by 0 form, so for the solution of this question, I am taking 1 by x is equal to t. So where x tends to infinity, then t tends to 0, right? So limit t tends to 0 as 1 upon x is t. So a raised to t minus 1 upon t. So this is 0 by 0 form. And as this is 0 by 0 form, so for the solution of this form, I am applying L'Hospital rule. And by applying L'Hospital rule, limit t tends to 0, a raised to t log a upon 1. And by applying limit in this function, my answer is log a. Okay. So this is the answer which we want to prove. Now, this we did total 3 type of example. We'll move with the 4th type, that is infinity minus infinity. So suppose my question is evaluate limit x tends to 1, x upon x minus 1 minus 1 upon log x, right? So after applying limit, you may find that the given function is infinity minus infinity form. So for the solution of the infinity minus infinity form, in most of the case, you have to take LCM first. Okay, remember, you have to take first LCM. So by getting LCM, limit x tends to 1, x log x minus minus plus 1 upon log x into x minus 1. So this is now 0 by 0 form. This is now 0 by 0 form. And as this is 0 by 0 form, so we are applying L'Hospital rule. And after applying L'Hospital rule, in this case, that is 1 plus log x minus 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus log x. That is the derivative of numerator in the numerator and the derivative of denominator in the denominator, right? So after simplification, we have limit x tends to 1 log x upon x minus 1 upon x plus log x. This is again 0 by 0 form. So we apply again L'Hospital rule, and after applying again L'Hospital rule, my answer is 1 by x upon 1 upon x square plus 1 by x. So if I apply limit x tends to 1 in this term, then my final answer is 1/2. Okay, what does it mean? In this case, first we have to convert this infinity minus infinity form by taking LCM into the 0 by 0 form, or by infinity form, or 0 into infinity form. And then we have to apply L'Hospital rule in these examples, and we get our answer. Okay, so please note down one example for your practice, that is evaluate limit x tends to 0, 1 upon x square minus 1 minute, 1 upon x square minus 1 upon sine square x. Okay, limit x tends to 0, 1 upon x square minus 1 upon sine square x. Your final answer is minus 1/3. Please note it down. Your final answer is minus 1/3. Okay. So let's move with the next type, and that is type of 1 raised to infinity, infinity raised to 0, and 0 raised to 0. If you ask this form of question, it means your given question is what? L is equal to limit x tends to infinity, x tends to 0, and f of x raised to g of x, right? For this type, one function in the base and one function is in the power, where f of x is greater than or equal to 0, right? So, for this type of example, you have to take log both the sides. Log L, limit x tends to 0, gx, log fx. You have to take first log both the side, then you have to solve your example, right? So let's start one example, that is evaluate limit x tends to 0, a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x upon 3 whole raised to 1 by 3x is equal to a, b, c raised to 1 by 9. So solution is L equal to limit x tends to 0, a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x upon 3 whole raised to 1 by 3x. As you know, this is the form of, if we apply x tends to 0, then this is 1 raised to infinity. This is 1 raised to infinity form. See, this is 1, 1, 1. The 3 by 3 is 1, and 1 upon 0 is infinity. So 1 raised to infinity form is there. As this is 1 raised to infinity form, so as per the rule, we have to take log both the sides. So log L, limit x tends to 0, 1 by 3x, log a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x by 3. Okay. Now, if I arrange this function in the particular manner, and that is limit x tends to 0, log a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x upon 3. This is my numerator, and this 3x is my denominator. So now this is 0 by 0 form. Okay, as this is 0 by 0 form, so we are applying now L'Hospital rule. And by applying L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to 0, 3 upon a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x. This is the logarithmic rule, 1 upon, and by applying the chain rule, a raised to x log a plus b raised to x log b plus c raised to x log c whole by 3. So this is my numerator, and the derivative of 3x in the denominator 3x. So derivative of denominator, that is just 3. Okay. So if I apply limit in this term, so a raised to 0, b raised to 0, c raised to 0, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 3 by 3, right? So here, after applying x tends to 0, my answer is 1 by 9 log ABC. You may check. So log ABC raised to 1 by 9. And our left hand side is what? Log L, right? So if I cancel log from both the side, my answer is L is equal to ABC whole raised to 1 by 9. Okay. So this is the answer of the form 1 raised to infinity. Got it, student? Okay. See, one announcement for all of you, that is, okay, Ishita. One announcement for all of you, that is, students, till now, we share a link of live lectures, right? That is for your detailed understanding. If you save a playlist link, listen carefully. If you save a playlist link, then every time you need no go for that particular form for searching the whatever lecture, right? So please save playlist link, that link for the live lecture link, and that is for detailed understanding. Very soon, sir will share a new playlist link that is for your revision only, and that is short lecture link. Okay, got it? That is short. It means your live lecture is for approximate 38 to 40 minutes, right? But the short lecture is about 12 to 15 minutes. And the whole syllabus uh, of your internal exam will cover in that lectures. That is for your revision only. And one more thing, students, if you have any query, any doubt regarding your particular subject or internal exams, then you may come here between 9 a.m. to 33 p.m. Got it? You may come here between 9 a.m. to 33 p.m. But listen, but you, when you have come here, please take a prior time for that particular faculty through telegram or through call, right? Before coming to college for your doubts, you have to take a prior time. You may take time before a day. You may take time before a day for your doubts, right? So it is easy for every faculty to give a specific time to specific students, right? One doubt is there. Yes, ma'am, 12 to 15 minutes for whole chapter. No, Dev. 12 to 15 minutes for just one topic, right? 12 to 15 minutes for just one topic, not for whole chapter. Okay, Dev? But for one topic, normally in live lecture, for the detailed understanding will take 14 minutes, 40 minutes, right? And that topic will take in just 12 to 15 minutes. Okay. Not every lecture is 12 to 15. Maybe it is 18 minutes, maybe it is 20 minutes, maybe it is 22 minutes, but very short in general. So I want to share you that if you subscribe the channel, then you get the notification of every update for that particular subject, right? So that's why you need not go every time for that spreadsheet for searching the lectures. So there are two type of playlist link, student. This is last time I am tell to you. There are two type of playlist link. One playlist for live lecture, that is for your detailed understanding, and the other playlist for your just revision, that is short lecture link. Okay, got it? And the one more thing, if you have any query, you may ask through telegram or through call. And if you wish to come to college, then you may come here between 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. But please, before coming to college, take a prior permission, prior time from the particular faculty. Okay, got it? All subject short lecture will be uploaded. Yes, Yogesh. All subjects short lecture will be uploaded. Okay. Now, one more thing, the most important thing. Now we have only 9 9 to 10 minutes left, right? I'm going to tell you one more example. But during that time, if you have any query for the particular topic, then please let me know in the chat box. I will give you a short tips and hint for your query. Okay, I will share PDF. I will share PDF for your solution of your query. So, ma'am, when the lecture are going to be uploaded? Very soon. Maybe today. Today or maximum up to tomorrow. But most probably today evening. Before today evening. Okay, Heth? Okay, students. So, if you have any doubt, please let me know in the chat box. I will give your solution of your query through PDF. So if you ask, right? Now let's move. And yes, one more thing. Please do practice. This is humble request. Without practice, you cannot get good marks. If you see the lecture, if you read the books, McGraw-Hill, you think that, yeah, it's really easy, we will do. But without practice, without pen and not, you cannot get good marks in the mathematics, right? So please do practice. What to do in the practice, ma'am? Time is less, so only example. Yes, Janil. For as time is less, you have to go through all the examples, or you may see we have shared a question bank, right? And in that question bank, there are all the topics, all the questions are separate as the topic wise. So you may choose 3 to 4 example from every topic. You may choose. Yes, Harshal. If you do yes, Tanvi, you do the practice of question bank only. The all thing is covered in that question bank. Okay. So first of all, my suggestion is please do the question bank. Harshal, the answer of the question bank, in most of the case, you get the answer from that textbook McGraw-Hill, right? But if you have any query, if you have any doubt, let me ask. Okay, I will give the answer of that particular question. But in the most of the question, you get answer from that book, right? Anyone? Any other doubt? Okay, so let's start. One more example. Okay, before going to one more example, see, in our internal exams, there are total first chapter we did, that is Fourier series, right? You have to do the whole chapter, right? In Fourier series, you know, the main topic is example of 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 12 with the limit, then even odd. For even odd, minus pi to pi or minus L to L, then and only then you have to go for even odd. And the next thing is half range series, right? So first Fourier series, this is the main topics. Then you have to go for the partial derivatives. Partial derivatives, there are so many topics, right? And you have to go the all topics, that is starting from the limit, then the total derivative, then prove that questions, right? Then gradient, directional derivative, and normal and tangent line, right? Tangent plane and normal line, right? Then maxima, minima, then Lagrange. So these are the topic of the partial derivatives. Next, we did the sequence series, right? In sequence series, there are so many series and there are so many different tricks for the finding the convergence of the series, right? So please go through all the tricks, root test, then ratio test, and whatever other test, right? The next one, after sequence series, we did the matrix. For the matrix, the main thing is row echelon form, reduce row echelon form, right? And after doing these two, you may easily solve Gauss elimination and Gauss Jordan, right? So, and with the help of the Gauss Jordan, you may find inverse also. The next one is with the help of the Gauss elimination and Gauss Jordan, you find rank, right? Then eigenvalue, eigenvector. And with the help of the eigenvalue and eigenvector, you may solve Cayley-Hamilton theorem. And the last one, that is diagonalization method. Right? So these topics are from the matrix. And the last, multiple integral. You may solve the simple example of double integral. Then the double integral over general region, right? And the last, change of order of integration, right? So these topics you have to prepare for your internal exams. See, this is the whole topic. This covers 70% of your syllabus, the whole syllabus, right? So please, student, you have to keep 3 to 4 example of this topic, and again 3 to 4 example of this topic, and 3 to 4 example of this topic. So you get whole syllabus for your internal exam, right? So please do practice of all these topics. Let's move with one more example, that is limit x tends to 0, 1 by x raised to 10x. Students, this is the form of infinity raised to 0. This is the form of infinity raised to 0. So if I, for the solution of this, if I take log both the sides, limit x tends to 0, 10x log 1 by x. So I keep this limit x tends to 0 minus log x upon cot x. This is 0 by, sorry, this is infinity by infinity form. And the next will you have to do by yourself, and your final answer is 1. You have to, the next steps you have to do by yourself, your final answer is 1. No, Dia, this chapter indeterminate form is not in mid-sem. Okay, this indeterminate form is not in mid-sem. It will be in our final exam, in GTU exam, but this is not included in our mid-sem. Okay, students. So as we have less than 1 minute, so okay, thank you, Dipen. So if you have any queries still, please let me ask. Okay, and all the best, all of you.